I think in solution focus, I think we worry sometimes ourselves at Brief because we've used the Steve DeShazer minimalist idea, the idea of do as little as possible, using the fewest means possible to help effect change. And I've come from a family therapy background where I was trained to hypothesize like mad about the causes of problems in the family and what was maintaining the problems. And so to move to a position of using the least means and believing in the ripple effect of change, I think is quite a challenge, but we've pared down our way of working, our model of working. And sometimes I wonder if we've left anywhere else to go. So I'm not sure, I can't predict how, and I'm a practitioner, so I'm constantly challenged by, like the home visit yesterday or this family I talked about. These are not what I think people would call easy cases, and they challenge my thinking. They challenge me to work out how to make solution focus fit. So I believe the solution focus model obviously it will evolve and will develop. I have no way of knowing where it's going to go, and that's how it should be. I'm quite pleased about that, but I also worry that somehow we've narrowed it down, that we've kind of put very strict tram lines or boundaries around it. So it's going to be very intriguing to see how we and others using our sort of approach, which I know isn't the only one within the solution focus field. Many people still use the miracle question in its old form about solving problems. So there are differences, and people still set tasks in many cases. So there are differences, and I'm obviously completely aware of that. So I'm going to be very excited to see how it and how we develop it over the years. But we have certainly worked hard to streamline something that is as minimal and simple, even though it's so hard to do, but simple approach. And it works for us, it works for our clients, and students like to come on our courses. We run a diploma course, which is a year-long course with lots of intense work that they have to do and bring cases to us, and reading, lots of reading, and so there's loads of things to do. And so it's very exciting and very vibrant in London, and that's absolutely great. And I want to do more writing. I want to. Our former colleague Yasmin Ajmal, you mentioned school, and she continues to work in the education system, and we're talking about a potential book, working a book on solution focus in schools, in education in the UK. So that'll be another project, and I certainly want to do much more with the library of tapes of Stephen Insu that we have, and so that will become a publication in its own right. So lots more things on the horizon.